Number 15, we're going to find the derivative of f of x, which is 13x times e to the 3x. So this is going to be a combination. Finding the derivative, we're going to do the product rule, and the product rule, we're also going to do the chain rule for e to the x, because you have a function up here. So product rule is first times the derivative of the second, which is just going to be e to the 3x. Here's the chain rule. The derivative of 3x is times 3. So first derivative of the second, e to the x, and then derivative of that is 3. First derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first, which would just be times 13. And if you want to simplify, 3 times 13, 39x e to the 3x plus 13 e to the 3x. All right, 16. We have a function of t, which is e to the 8t over 4 plus e to the 8t. So we are going to do the quotient rule, and each time we have a chain rule embedded inside of it. So f prime of t is going to be quotient rule, which is the bottom, times the derivative of the top, e to the 8t, outer function, inner function, times another 8, bottom derivative of the top, minus the top, times the derivative of the bottom, derivative of 40, derivative of e to the 8t is e to the 8t times 8. So we got bottom, derivative of the top, chain rule, minus the top, times the derivative of the bottom, at the chain rule, all over the bottom square. Now we can simplify this. Some things will cancel out. However, if you want to leave it like that, you can. I'm going to simplify it a little bit just to kind of show you what would happen if you simplify this. So this is 8 e to the 8t. So 8 times 4, 32 e to the 8t, and then 8 e to the 8t times e to the 8t, same base, you add the exponents, so this will be plus 8 e to the 16t, 8 plus 8 is 16, and then minus, this is 8 e to the 8t times 8 to the e to the 8t, so that'll be a 8 e to the 16t. So you can see 8 e to the 16 minus 8 e to the 16, both of those will zero out, and then all over the bottom squared, which I'm just going to leave it as 4 e to the 8t squared, 4 plus e to the 8t squared. So just this part here.